We have a confirmed birth time for Monica Lewinsky, so I wanted to look at her chart to see what it says surrounding sex because she's famous for having an affair with the president. He lied on the stand, said that he never did nothing with that lady, even though he was putting cigars and his fingers up her hoo-ha and she was blowing him off. They was getting freaky up in that Oval Office. I just learned about the cigar thing when I was looking her up. I'm 27 years old. I was born in 98, the year this scandal broke, and Bill is a wild boy. A cigar? And then did he smoke it after he put it in her cooter? Like, but anyways, I wanted to see, so the fifth house is the house of sex and love and romance. And Venus is the planet that represents sex as a whole. So first thing that stood out to me, she is a Libra rising. She's ruled by the planet that represents love and sex. And I think that's very fitting when that's even why we know who she is. Her Venus is also in a sextile with Saturn, the ruler of her fifth house. So your ascendant, your chart ruler represents you and your identity. And again, she's associated with her relationship that she had with Bill Clinton. But the fact that her chart ruler makes aspect with the ruler of her fifth house really ties in her identity and sex. And the midheaven is the angle that represents your public image, your reputation, the things that you're known for on a larger public scale. And she has her midheaven in a square with Mars, which is the planet that rules her seventh house of relationships and partnerships. Even further, she has her Mars is at 20 degrees of Aries, and her Chiron is at 20 degrees of Aries, both in the seventh house, which speaks to like conflict and tension because of her relationships. But even again, the seventh house is the ruler of relationships and partnerships, and she's literally famous for the affair that she had with the president. Astrology is so literal, and I kind of want to look at her chart again to see what was going on with her transits and things like that when the scandal broke. Let me know if you want to see that video, but astrology is so literal.